On the last day of April this year, Silbury Hill saw the arrival of a convoy of heavy lorries carrying containers, offices, tools and machinery. The Silbury Hill Conservation Project had begun. Centuries of archaeological investigation have left their mark on Silbury, and in May 2000, a 14-metre hole appeared in the summit. The likely cause was the vertical shaft sunk by the Duke of Northumberland in 1776. English Heritage asked the civil engineering company Skanska to investigate, their first task being to stabilise the top of the hill with polystyrene blocks. Another part of their investigation was to extract core samples. An archaeologist, Faulkner McAvoy, soon found evidence of the origins of the hill.
We're going to see the detail for the first time of the ground level that people were walking on when Silbury Hill was being built 4,000 years ago. Oh, yes. And there it is. This oh, it really looks nice. This is this black organic layer here, which is probably the remains of the topsoil and turf that people were walking on. And here's some trampling that's taking place. And what this will represent is actual people walking around, building the mound. And as they walk around, then on their shoes, they're trampling in. You know, they're dropping chalk, they're walking about on an old soil surface. And everything's getting mixed in as they're walking around and building the mound. And that seems to be exactly what you're seeing here. In this mixture of the original soils and the chalks that they're using in the construction process.
The drilling also revealed voids in what should have been solid chalk. A small camera was lowered, and the grainy pictures it sent back soon revealed one of the metal supports for the 1968 tunnel. Though in no danger of actually collapsing, Silbury needed conservation work to protect it for future generations. Now, after years of research and planning, English Heritage has commissioned Skanska to return and reopen the tunnel dug by the BBC in 1968 and sealed in 1969. The metal door was exposed late last year to check its condition. It opened without much difficulty. The hill has been scanned using LiDAR, light detection and ranging survey, which uses a pulsed laser beam to build up a highly accurate, high-resolution model of the ground surface. This has provided both engineers and archaeologists with more images to help them understand the hill and its surrounding landscape. This is just the latest in a long line of techniques used by archaeologists over the centuries to investigate this great earthen mound. Now, with the equipment on site, Silbury Hill is once more at the forefront of archaeological investigation. In a 4-month project, the latest techniques and technology will be used to return to the centre of the hill for one last time, to stabilise it for future generations, and hopefully provide clues about when and how it was built. Although only those who built it will ever really know why.